drive the train. Happily we jog along, learning let's go.
Oh, yay!
Let's make music.
Yay!
Let's go.
Yay! Put it in, put it in, put it in. Yeah, put it in. Ooh, there it goes, yay! Where'd it go? All the blocks are in the train. Here you go. Mwah. Ooh, 2 blocks. Go, let's put it in here.
Let's drive the alphabet train.
Alphabet train.
Blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Isn't this cute?
Orange, yellow, green, blue. The quilt is covering the turtle. Quilt begins with Q. Can you find the block with the letter Q?
We're gonna put it in the box. Put it.
Happily we jog along.
You're so smart. You know exactly what to do with these. Put the block in here and push down and.
Let's go.
Push it down. Push it down. Oh, there it goes. It's in there now. Here, watch. Push it down. It goes in there. You gotta learn how to be coordinated so you can do it all by yourself. Here, try it again. Try it again. Put it in here. Uh-oh, he's distracted. Somebody's distracting him. Uh-oh. There he goes. Bye-bye, Sebastian. Bye-bye, Sebastian. And so he leaves his grandmother to find his parents in the dining room.